Hi, I'm Maria Bailey of Mom TV, and I'm here at Toy Fair where I discover the newest, coolest toys for you and your children and for educators as well. And I think this is one that really goes into all buckets. It is the Star Wars Droid Inventor Kit, and really amazing. I wouldn't even call it a toy because it's so educational and functional, but really amazing gift for the holidays or for a birthday, or maybe your child got all straight A's on their report card. Really awesome gift to give, and something that's going to give for a long time. And Elaine is going to talk a little bit about the product for us.
Hi, yeah, so this is our droid. The purpose of this kit, it's a construction kit. So you'll build this R2 unit, and then the idea is that you'll take the bits and then change them out, so then you can make its head spin, you can make it drive. It has different features like force drive, so you can hold up your hand to it and it'll like move on its own. The idea then is to also customize it, so it comes with stickers which you can put on, but then you can also have your own stickers, so they're white and you can like color them and decorate them however you like. And then also, we've added more coding to the experience. So now you'll be able to drag and drop blocks to have a sequence and then send it to the droid, and then it will complete it.
Oh, that's very cool. So you're learning and you're playing at the same time.
Yes, absolutely.
So Elaine, one thing that like a mom might be wondering if they're considering purchasing the product is, like, are there a lot of pieces, and how does my child know how the pieces go together?
Right. In the app, we have step-by-step instructions with video to show you how the pieces come together. There are also resources to show you like what the bits do on their own. So we really guide you through the experience of building.
And you're making something that you can be proud of when it's all over. So it's available here on Amazon. Really cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
It has won so many awards. #1 science toy, the Toddy Awards, just a lot of awards for this, and it's going to be something that you're going to be proud of giving your child. I'm Maria Bailey here at the Toy Fair in New York with the Star Wars Droid Inventor Kit.